Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure TD Ameritrade thinkorswim watchlist step by step clearly. Open your TD Ameritrade thinkorswim platform. Log in to your account using your credentials. Locate the Market Watch tab at the top of the screen. Click on Quotes under the Market Watch section. Find the Watchlists tab on the left sidebar. Click on Watchlists to open the Watchlist Manager. To create a new watchlist, select Create Watchlist at the bottom. A dialog box will appear prompting you to name your watchlist. Enter a descriptive name for your new watchlist. Once named, click OK to save it. Now, you'll see your new watchlist appear in the list. To add symbols to your watchlist, click on the empty space under the symbol column. Type in the ticker symbol you want to add. Press Enter on your keyboard to confirm. Continue adding symbols as desired by repeating the previous two steps. If you need to remove a symbol, hover over the symbol you want to delete. Click on the X that appears next to the symbol. To rearrange your watchlist entries, click and hold on a symbol. Drag it to your desired position before releasing the mouse button. To customize the columns in your watchlist, right-click on the header area of the watchlist. Select Customize from the drop-down menu. In the customization window, choose the columns you want to add or remove. After selecting your desired columns, click OK to apply the changes. You can also save your watchlist setup by clicking on the gear icon next to the watchlist name. Select Save Watchlist to keep your configuration for future use. Now you are ready to monitor your selected stocks with your personalized watchlist. Explore different watchlist features such as alerts and performance metrics to enhance your trading experience. Regularly update your watchlist to ensure it reflects your current investment focus. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.